said you love people for your friends, your
Yeah.
loved ones, your neighbors. Each of those categories are mine. Let's start from there.
Hi guys, my name is Susu and I'm on Chasing Cupid. Are you a traditional man?
Traditional man. Please.
I already ruined it.
Oh, sorry. You can come and take mine.
Um,
Hi guys, my name is Caleb and I'm here live on Chasing Cupid. I love to take care of my women. Yeah.
Gentleman. What kind of movies do you enjoy watching?
I love action movies.
I like horror
Oh my
and I like
God.
thriller. I'm open to changing
What else can I make you happy?
to make me happy. Change my phone. So we have cookies and
Finally, after how many hours?
I'm sure I fed you. So I like doing fun things. I like playing.
I love your energy. It was a beautiful experience.
Begging, go on your knees. No, go on your knee.
On my knee.
Yeah, and say,